In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a pipeline in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar of your dashboard. There you'll find several options, but what you want is the Deals section. Go ahead and click on that to navigate to your Deals view. This is where you can see all your pipelines and deals neatly organized. After you're in the Deals section, the next step is to locate the specific pipeline you wish to remove. At the top right corner of your Deals view, you should see a drop-down menu labeled Pipeline. Click on that drop-down, and you will see a list of all your pipelines. Scroll through and select the pipeline that you want to delete. Make sure it's the right one, as this action is permanent. Once you've selected your pipeline, now it's time to enter the edit mode. Look for a small pen or pencil icon at the top right of the screen. This icon indicates that you can edit the pipeline. Go ahead and click on that icon to open up the pipeline editor. Now that you're in the editing screen, you'll want to find the three dots menu, which you can also find at the top right corner. Clicking on this will open up more options related to your pipeline. Now, here comes the important part, deleting the pipeline. In the menu that appears, you should see an option labeled Delete. Click on that option, but before you go ahead with the deletion, I urge you to carefully read any prompts that come up regarding active deals that are still in that pipeline. This is crucial because if there are any ongoing deals that you're still working on, deleting the pipeline will also remove those deals, and they may be lost forever. If everything checks out and you are sure you want to proceed with deleting the pipeline, go ahead and confirm the deletion. It might ask you for final confirmation, just to make sure that you understand the implications of this action. Once you confirm, your chosen pipeline will be deleted from your Pipedrive account. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a pipeline in Pipedrive. It's a straightforward process, but it's always good to double-check your selections before making any permanent changes. I hope this video helped you navigate through Pipedrive with ease. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.